In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clean Lasco heater. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna give you instructions on how to properly clean your Lasco heater. This is important because regular cleaning not only improves your heater's performance, but also extends its lifespan. So, to get started, always unplug the heater. It is important to ensure that the heater is not getting power before cleaning. You will avoid any sort of electrical accidents by doing this. Once you unplug the Lasco heater, the next thing to do is to remove the grill. Some Lasco heaters have removable grills. If yours does, you will be able to gently detach it to reach the internal components. Now, you have a lot of tools to use to assist you in cleaning. First, I recommend using a soft, bristled brush or a vacuum cleaner if you are able to get it in there. As long as you use the brush attachment, you will be able to remove dust and debris, and you might have to pass it through multiple times. I would recommend avoiding water damage, so while a damp cloth can be used for stubborn dirt, avoid excessive moisture. Make sure to always clean the area thoroughly and don't leave water residue in. And then clear the interior. Use a vacuum cleaner with a narrow attachment to reach the inside of the heater and remove dust and lint. Avoid blocking vents, so ensure that the air intake and outlet vents are clear of obstructions. And of course, inspect the power cord. If you notice that there is damage on the power cord, it might be recommended to take it to a shop to get it replaced, because if you find any damage, you could avoid an electrical accident by getting it replaced. Place your heater on a stable, heat-resistant surface away from flammable materials and ensure proper airflow around the heater to prevent overheating. I hope I was able to help you on how to clean Lasco heater. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.